Welcome back to Easy Ayurveda classes, and today we'll be seeing the what all are the questions that can be asked in the PV paper 1, and these questions patterns are the fixed. See, that means for 10 marks 4 questions they'll ask. No, first question they'll ask from this chapter only, second question from Dravya chapter only, third question from Guna or Karma chapter, and fourth question is from Samanya or Vishesha Siddhanta. So like this you have to divide and study in smart way to achieve some good marks or some passing marks. So first question for 10 marks they'll ask Ayurveda Nirupana, that is from first chapter, or mostly Darshana. See, most of the time repeated is the Darshana. They'll ask any one Darshana for the 10 marks. The second question is from the Dravya chapter along with one Pancha Mahabhuta. They'll ask us to explain Dravya along with one Pancha Mahabhuta. Mostly they will ask the Prithvi Mahabhuta only, which is very very important. And next, third question is Guna and Karma. Either they'll ask explain Guruadi Guna or some other Paradi Guna, or they'll ask the question from the Karma chapter. Here if they in Guna they can also ask Charakotkaka Guna explained by Paradi Guna. So this also can be asked in the third question. Fourth question is Samanya Vishesha and their relation. Means they'll not ask chapter like a summary of the Samanya or Vishesha. They'll ask a tricky question like clinical importance of the Samanya Vishesha. This is many times repeated. What clinical importance of the Samanya and Vishesha, or write a practical application of the study of drug in the Ayurveda. These two questions, any one, they'll ask for the fourth question. Many times they have repeated clinical importance of Samanya Vishesha. This they'll ask. Next, fifth question, from first chapter Ayurveda, that is very Siddhanta Tantra, where it is explained, that will be asked. Next, sixth question is from Darshana. Any one Darshana they'll ask. Mostly Sankhya Darshana is repeated many times. I hope so. Sankhya can be chances of asking Sankhya will be very high. Next is the seventh question from the Dravya. That means one Pancha Mahabhuta they'll ask us to explain. Next is Guna, that any one Guna they will only give, and we have to explain for that and write some clinical importance. Such things are written here. And in Karma also same thing. See, 7, 8, 9 question, or any fifth marks question, we have to write the clinical based, so then only we'll get the more marks in the exam. Next, 10th question is Samanya or Vishesha. Any one they'll ask. Here they'll not ask a clinical. Here if they ask 10 marks clinical, then they'll not ask 10 marks 5 marks clinical based Samanya. They'll just ask explain Samanya or Vishesha. Next, 11th question they'll ask Samavaya or Abhava, and 12th question will be Dravya or Guna. Any one among them will be asked. Mostly repeated will be Guna because the concept is more in that, so that is important. And the 7 question they will ask from the must to know, and 1 question from desirable to know, and 0 questions from the nice to know questions. This much is the question pattern for the PE1 paper. If you want Rachana 1 and 2, that is already present in my playlist. You can go and check it. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. It takes more effort for me to create videos for you, and consider that effort and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.